Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of microscopy with the Andonstar AD266S, a digital microscope that promises a whole lot. This microscope claims to be a triple threat: a stereo microscope, a compound microscope, and a handheld digital microscope, all rolled into one. It's marketed for everything from examining coins and biological slides to soldering electronics. Big claims, right? Let's see if it lives up to the hype. One of the standout features is the 5 interchangeable lenses. The lens gives you a wide view, perfect for larger objects like coins, stamps, or even small plants. Then you've got the B, C, and M lenses designed for increasing levels of magnification for those tiny biological specimens on slides. Finally, there's the L lens, specifically for close-up work like soldering and electronics repair. Having dedicated lenses for different applications is a nice touch, saving you the hassle of constant adjustments. The AD266S boasts a sturdy metal stand, which is a definite plus. Anyone who's worked with high-magnification microscopes knows how frustrating shaky images can be. This robust stand minimizes vibrations, providing a stable platform for your observations, especially crucial for intricate tasks like soldering. Now, let's talk magnification. The Andonstar AD266S claims up to a whopping 5000x magnification on the 7-inch LCD screen. That's a lot, and it's achieved through a combination of optical and digital zoom. Keep in mind, while higher magnification numbers sound impressive, the actual clarity of the image at those extreme levels is what truly matters. We'll test that out in a bit. You can also connect the microscope to a larger HDMI monitor, which is great for presentations or group viewing. The microscope offers 2160p UHD video recording, which is fantastic for capturing your findings in high definition. Andonstar also provides professional measurement software for Windows, allowing you to take precise measurements, capture photos, and record videos directly to your computer. This is a valuable feature for serious hobbyists or professionals who need accurate documentation. Lighting is crucial in microscopy, and the AD266S offers versatile options. External LED lights are ideal for lower magnification tasks like coin examination and soldering, while bottom lights are designed for illuminating slides at higher magnifications. The adjustable brightness is a welcome addition, allowing you to fine-tune the lighting for optimal viewing. So what's the verdict? The Andonstar AD266S is a versatile microscope packed with features. The multiple lenses cater to a wide range of applications, from examining everyday objects to exploring the microscopic world. The sturdy stand, high-resolution video recording, and included software add to its value. While the claimed 5000x magnification needs a closer look in terms of actual image clarity, the overall package seems promising for both beginners and more experienced users. If you're looking for an all-in-one digital microscope that can handle a variety of tasks, the Andonstar AD266S is definitely worth considering. Stay tuned for a follow-up video where we put this microscope through its paces with some real-world testing.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.